Welcome to Financial Mastery Insights. Have you ever wondered how the ultra-wealthy don't just build massive fortunes, but also keep them growing? It's not just about making money, it's about mastering the art of wealth preservation. In today's video, we're pulling back the curtain on 9 powerful secrets that billionaires use to protect and multiply their wealth. From strategic investments to elite networking, these aren't just exclusive tricks for the rich. They're proven strategies that anyone can apply to build long-term financial security. We'll explore how the wealthy think about money, risk, and opportunity, giving you insider insights that could transform your financial future. Whether you're just beginning your wealth-building journey or looking to level up your financial game, this video is packed with valuable lessons to help you take control of your finances. So if you're ready to think and grow like a billionaire, let's dive in and unlock the secrets to lasting wealth. Secret 1. Invest in assets. One of the key strategies billionaires use to maintain their wealth is investing in appreciating assets. Unlike liabilities that drain your finances, assets like real estate and stocks can significantly increase in value over time. Billionaires prioritize these investments because they understand the power of compound growth. For instance, many have built vast fortunes through strategic real estate purchases, often acquiring properties in high-demand areas that appreciate significantly. Similarly, investing in stocks of established companies can yield substantial returns, as seen with figures like Warren Buffett, who famously invested in Coca-Cola and Apple. The long-term benefits of asset appreciation not only provide financial security, but also create opportunities for further investments. By focusing on assets that grow in value, billionaires ensure their wealth continues to flourish, setting a powerful example for aspiring investors. Secret 2. Diversify income streams. Billionaires understand that relying on a single source of income can be risky, which is why they prioritize diversifying their income streams. By creating diverse portfolios, they spread risk and increase their financial stability. This strategy often includes a mix of active income from businesses and passive income from investments. For example, many wealthy individuals invest in real estate, generating rental income while their properties appreciate in value. Others may invest in stocks that pay dividends, providing a steady cash flow. Additionally, billionaires often explore opportunities in startups or venture capital, allowing them to benefit from innovative companies. The importance of passive income cannot be overstated. It allows them to earn money while they sleep, ultimately leading to greater financial freedom and security. By diversifying their income, billionaires create a robust financial foundation that withstands market fluctuations. Secret 3. Financial education. Continuous financial learning is a cornerstone of billionaire success. Wealthy individuals understand that the financial landscape is always evolving, and they invest time and resources into their education. This often includes attending seminars, reading books, and taking courses on investment strategies and market trends. Additionally, mentorship plays a crucial role. Billionaires frequently surround themselves with knowledgeable advisors and peers who can provide insights and guidance. Networking with other successful individuals opens doors to new opportunities and ideas. For viewers looking to enhance their financial knowledge, there are numerous resources available. Websites like Coursera and Udemy offer courses on personal finance and investing, while books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki provide foundational insights. By prioritizing financial education, you can empower yourself to make informed decisions and build lasting wealth. Secret 4. Smart spending. The wealthy have a unique approach to spending that sets them apart from the average consumer. They distinguish between necessary expenses and luxury spending, ensuring that their financial resources are allocated wisely. While billionaires may indulge in high-end purchases, they prioritize essential needs and investments that yield returns. Budgeting and financial planning are crucial components of their strategy, allowing them to track expenses and make informed decisions. For instance, many billionaires practice frugal habits, such as driving modest cars or living in relatively modest homes compared to their wealth. Warren Buffett, known for his frugality, still resides in the same house he bought decades ago. By focusing on smart spending, the wealthy create a sustainable financial lifestyle that supports their long-term goals, proving that it's not just about how much you earn, but how wisely you spend. Secret 5. Leverage debt. Wisely, billionaires often view debt not as a burden, but as a powerful tool for wealth creation. The key lies in understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is used to finance investments that generate income or appreciate in value, while bad debt typically involves high-interest loans for non-essential purchases. By leveraging good debt, billionaires can amplify their investment potential. For example, real estate moguls often take out mortgages to acquire properties, allowing them to invest in multiple assets without tying up all their cash. Similarly, entrepreneurs like Elon Musk have used debt to fund ambitious projects, such as Tesla and SpaceX, ultimately leading to substantial returns. By strategically using debt, the wealthy can expand their portfolios and create opportunities that would otherwise be out of reach, demonstrating that smart borrowing can lead to greater financial success. Secret 6. Build a strong network. Networking is a vital component of wealth retention, and billionaires understand its importance. They surround themselves with like-minded individuals who share their values and ambitions, creating an environment that fosters growth and innovation. These connections often lead to valuable partnerships that can propel businesses to new heights. For instance, many successful entrepreneurs collaborate with others to leverage each other's strengths, resulting in mutually beneficial ventures. For viewers looking to expand their own networks, consider attending industry events, joining professional organizations, or participating in online forums related to your interests. Building genuine relationships is key. Focus on offering value to others rather than just seeking personal gain. By cultivating a strong network, you can access new opportunities, gain insights, and enhance your financial journey, just like the billionaires who prioritize their connections. Secret 7. Focus on long-term goals. Long-term financial planning is a hallmark of billionaire success. Wealthy individuals set clear, ambitious goals and develop strategies to achieve them over time. They understand that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and prioritize patience and persistence in their investment approaches. For instance, many billionaires invest in index funds or real estate with the intention of holding these assets for years, allowing them to appreciate significantly. This long-term mindset helps them weather market fluctuations and avoid impulsive decisions driven by short-term trends. A great example is Jeff Bezos, who focused on Amazon's growth over decades rather than immediate profits. By concentrating on long-term goals, billionaires create sustainable wealth and financial security, demonstrating that a strategic vision and commitment can lead to extraordinary results over time. Secret 8. Philanthropy as a strategy. Philanthropy is not just an act of kindness for billionaires, it's a strategic approach to wealth retention. By giving back, they enhance their personal branding and create a positive public image that can lead to increased business opportunities. Charitable giving allows wealthy individuals to leave a lasting legacy, demonstrating their commitment to social causes and community improvement. For example, Bill and Melinda Gates have dedicated billions to global health and education initiatives through the Gates Foundation, significantly impacting millions of lives while reinforcing their brand as compassionate leaders. Similarly, Warren Buffett's Giving Pledge encourages billionaires to commit the majority of their wealth to philanthropy, fostering a culture of giving among the wealthy. By integrating philanthropy into their financial strategies, billionaires not only contribute to society, but also strengthen their own wealth retention efforts through enhanced reputation and influence. Secret 9. Stay informed and adapt. In the fast-paced world of finance, staying updated on trends is crucial for success, and billionaires know this well. They continuously monitor market changes and economic shifts, allowing them to adapt their strategies accordingly. This proactive approach helps them seize opportunities and mitigate risks before they become significant issues. For instance, many wealthy individuals pivot their investments based on emerging technologies or shifts in consumer behavior, ensuring they remain ahead of the curve. To help viewers stay informed, consider following reputable financial news outlets like Bloomberg or CNBC and subscribing to newsletters from investment experts. Additionally, platforms like Seeking Alpha and MarketWatch provide valuable insights and analysis. By prioritizing continuous learning and adaptation, you can navigate the ever-changing financial landscape, just like the billionaires who thrive on staying informed and agile in their decision-making. In this video, we explored 9 powerful secrets that billionaires use to retain their wealth. We discussed the importance of investing in appreciating assets, diversifying income streams, and prioritizing continuous financial education. We also highlighted smart spending habits, leveraging debt wisely, and building a strong network. Additionally, we emphasized the significance of focusing on long-term goals, using philanthropy as a strategy, and staying informed to adapt to changing markets. Now it's time for you to implement these strategies in your own life. By adopting these principles, you can enhance your financial stability and work towards your wealth retention goals. If you found this video insightful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from these tips. Together, let's unlock the secrets to financial success and build a brighter future.